Hey there, Dan Nathanson here with the Nathanson brothers at Keller Williams Realty, your South Florida real estate resource. I'm standing here with longtime friend, attorney Ernesto Cespedes. How are you today?
Doing great, Dan. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. So just tell me a little bit about your law firm. What's your firm's name?
Cespedes Law Firm.
Okay, great. And how long have you been in practice?
I've been in practice for 16 years now in South Florida.
Oh, wow. Okay, so when you say South Florida, where do you practice?
Well, we handle cases in Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, Collier County, and even Tampa and Orlando.
Oh, wow.
If we get the clients from that area. Yeah.
Wow, okay, perfect. So you guys are all over the place. Now, let me ask you this. What areas of the law does your firm cover?
Well, we work on various areas of the law. One of them is family law.
Okay.
And of course, that encompasses issues such as divorce, prenuptial agreements, child custody issues, child support, and anything that has to do with family law during the divorce and also post-dissolution. Okay. And we also work on areas of the law with corporate matters. We incorporate domestic and foreign corporations for our clients. We also serve as registered agents for our clients. And in addition to that, we are a full-service real estate firm. And we also have an attorney that is dedicated only to immigration issues.
Oh, wow. Okay. And in addition to that, you're also a mediator, correct?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
As a Florida Supreme Court certified civil mediator, I get to act as a neutral party that gets to help our clients resolve their issues outside of court because it's more efficient, it's cost efficient, and it's also quicker. And I find that when parties have the ability to partake in their own decision making and they get to participate, they empower themselves and reach a much better outcome. So I believe it to be a win-win situation when I'm allowed to partake as a mediator.
Perfect. Okay, great. And let me ask, in addition to that, what makes your firm unique?
Well, one thing that we like to do is we provide our clients with our personal cell phone numbers. Most often, the number one complaint that lawyers get is that they don't return phone calls, or that a lot of clients can't talk to their lawyers. So we went around that by actually giving our clients our cell phone numbers. And that way the client can call us whenever they have a concern or any question, and we'll answer the question usually right then and there. And so it's a direct contact with the client. Also, what separates us from other law firms is that the attorneys speak English, Spanish, and Portuguese. Wow. Not the staff, not the secretaries, but the actual attorneys. So we communicate directly with the client as opposed to having to use a staff or a secretary, a third-party translator as a go-between.
Perfect. Wow, that's fantastic. Now, if someone wants to get in touch with you, what is the best phone number to reach you?
It's a Miami-based number. It's area code 305-741-0301.
Okay, and I assume you have a website?
Yes.
And what's that website?
It's www.cespedeslawfirm.com.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today. If anybody has questions, please, I highly recommend you get in touch with Ernesto and his firm directly. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.